Good evening. Welcome to KalyanIAS.com. I am Kalyan Chakravarti, Director of this Academy. Today in this seminar, I would like to give you information with respect to a new batch of Group 2 for TSPSC to be started very soon. You are all waiting for this batch for quite long period of time, and I am aware of that. Along with the information that is related to Group 2, I would like to share the information which is related to Group 1 services of TSPSC and also the coaching information that is related to SI of Police in Telangana. And I am immensely pleased to announce that we offer coaching in both English medium as well as Telugu medium. Kindly remember, we are known for our quality. Quality means what? Quality means the delivery of the subject in depth so that all the concepts will be clearer to the aspirants. Once the concepts are clear, you can read any material, you can solve any question bank, that would become easier for you. And our motto is to provide the quality teaching and give our best to the serious aspirants so that they will be selected for various services under the government. Now, I would like to show you the information directly. Kindly have a look at this. Look at this. So, this is the information that I am going to tell you with respect to new batch, fresh batch to be started for Group 2 of TSPSC. And this batch is of English medium. We have already finished Telugu medium batch and the batch is ready. You may please join. And English medium batch is going to be started from December 28th onwards. We already know that the statements have been issued by the government and notifications are going to be released very soon. Look at this. Our course highlights, maybe it is Group 1, Group 2, SI of Police or any other course, we have extraordinary and dedicated faculty members. And our most significant feature is that we cover complete syllabus. 100% syllabus is covered. We also provide quality PDF material. That material you can download and you can take the printouts. Another significant feature is that we give lots of practice tests. Regular practice tests will be conducted. And as far as the access of our classes is concerned, you can access our classes till the completion of the exam. Meaning, notification is released and in case of Group 1, say for example, you have prelims, mains and interview. Till the completion of main examination, you can access this. Similarly, SI of Police, notification, prelims and mains, till the time you can access our classes. Similarly, Group 2, notification and the exam, till the time you can access our classes. But only one thing you need to remember, you can access our classes only from one device. It may be your smartphone, it may be laptop, desktop or tab. From any one device you can access. Please don't use more than one device. If it is done, access will be denied to you. Next, with respect to the faculty members for the forthcoming batch of Group 2 English medium, this is the list of faculty members. You can please have a look at this. You may take a pic of this if you want. Look at this. Indian polity, social issues, Indian and Telangana state economy, Telangana movement, science and technology, disaster management, current affairs and policies of Telangana state. All these are going to be handled by me directly. With respect to Indian history and Telangana state history, we have one fantastic and extraordinary faculty member by name Prajwal. The moment he started delivering the lectures, you will be able to grasp entire history. In the similar manner, we got another laudable faculty member by name Mr. Vijay, who handles geography part. And as far as our geography syllabus is concerned, maybe world, Indian or Telangana, everything will be taken care by Mr. Vijay. Similarly, for basic English, you got a gentleman by name Mr. Narayana. Another great faculty member of our institution who delivers the subject with ease. Kindly look at this. And how to join this course. Course is Group 2, medium is English and Telugu. The course fee is 19,000 rupees, but now we are offering only at 9,900 rupees including GST. So this is a very reasonable fee for the quality that we provide. So please make use of this opportunity. How do you pay? You can take a pic of this page. You can look at my mobile number, WhatsApp number, Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm number. Pay the amount to this particular number. After that, you need to send your details like a screenshot of the payment, your name, mobile number, mail ID, street, course and medium. Give me the complete information. You will get access for all the classes from December 28th onwards. Kindly remember, Telugu medium batch is ready. If you join now, you will get the access now. Look at this. How about this group 2? How about the group 1? Group 1, the fee is 44,000 rupees, but we are offering at 39,000 rupees including GST. Method of payment is the same. And even for group 1, we offer in both English medium as well as a Telugu medium. Similarly, SI of police, the price is 9,500. Now we are offering at 7,900 rupees. Again, we got English medium as well as Telugu medium classes separately. We cover everything. 100% syllabus is already covered. You can join and you can start enjoying our classes. So now I would like to show you our website. This is our website, onlineias.com or kalyanias.com. So in the menu bar, you please come to this TSPSC. Here, if you want to watch demos, you please click here for Telugu medium. For English medium, you can click here, you can watch demos. And for group 2 and 3, you can click here. By coming here, you can enroll. Demos for Telugu medium are already available. You can watch demos. For the purpose of enrolling, you can just click on here. You click here, you will be taken to other page where you can enroll yourself. Now it is asking whether for Telugu medium or English medium. Depending on your medium, you please select appropriately. Say you are going to join for English medium. You will be taken to the next page where you are asked to give your name, mobile number, mail ID and you create a password. That password is your password to access our classes. Clear? On the right side, you can see the amount fee. You can pay through either Paytm or CC Avenue. You can check CC Avenue by clicking here, or you can pay with Paytm, that is up to you. After this, you please click here, then go for the register to the course. After going there, you can pay through either credit card, debit card, RuPay card, net banking, all the facilities are available. Look at this very clearly. So this is the syllabus that is related to group 2 services that we are going to start from December 28th. In this you got 4 papers. 1, 2, 3, 4 papers. Paper 1 is a general studies and general abilities. Look at the syllabus. Every aspect is going to be covered in detail. In paper number 2, you got 3 subjects. One is history, second one is polity, third one is society. As I told you, 100% will be covered here. Similarly, under paper number 3, you got economy of India and economy of Telangana. And last paper will be fourth paper. It is Telangana movement and state formation. As I told you just now, I am going to take up this paper, paper number 4 for Telangana movement. First we'll be finishing paper 1, 2, 3. Then we'll take up paper number 4. Fine. So this is the complete information, my dear friends. And if anybody has any doubts still, you can feel free to call me. You can feel free to send me WhatsApp message. You can send any mail to me. Fine. And kindly remember, with respect to group 1, classes are readily available. But as I told you, we are going to update those classes. Except Telangana movement and Telangana history, rest of the classes will be updated. Clear? And that updation will begin from December 28th only. That is the reason why all the aspirants who are preparing for Group 1, Group 2 or SA of Police, you are most welcome to join and avail our quality services. And our quality will be maintained starting from day number 1 till the last day. And our wish, our motto, our interest is your selection. For your selection, what are all the things to be done that are going to be done by the institution very, very, very effectively, including Group 1, mains answer writing practice. It is not just giving the questions and asking you to write. So we will correct the papers. I will be correcting, I will be evaluating all your Group 1 mains practice papers directly. And lots of suggestions will be given to you, recommendations will be given to you, and you are expected to follow my guidelines as it is. So that will be helpful to you in cracking the examination. So I once again suggest all of you, classes quality is the utmost. When it comes to fee, that is very much reasonable. Classes will be appropriate and proper, and the classes will be completed on time, well before your the examination, so that ample time will be given to you for the purpose of revision. How to revise, all the things will be taught to you during our classes. So take a quick decision and join our classes immediately to be there in the top list. Thank you so much, and I will see you during our classes from December 28th onwards. Thank you so much.